Hey, my name is Justin Solkio and I am an artist. Tara, samahan niyo naman ako i-drawing si Maymay Entrata. Have you heard her songs na? Kasi talagang ang galing-galing nung... Pero Ama Kabugera is still number one in my heart. Kasi yung pagkakasulat ng kantang yun is so powerful, diba? But anyway, today I'm drawing a character based on Miss Maymay Entrata. This is like my parang ghost hunter or ghoul hunter kind of character na first time kong gagawin. The thing with this character, this is based solely on my Entrata's films na biglang sumibak, diba, nung post-pandemic. But anyway, this is the final product and I hope all of you also slay and slay all your demons. Bye-bye!